How can I stop rust and make my old steel fence look new? That expensive steel fence is starting to show its age. Rust and faded paint are making it look tired, and the corrosion is slowly eating away the metal. Addressing these issues now can improve your fence's appearance and help prevent costly repairs or replacements in the future. Today we'll show you the steps to stop rust and restore the appearance of your steel fence using KBS RustSeal or KBS Rust Converter, and then top coating with KBS BlackTop. The first step in the restoration process is determining whether the rust is surface level or has penetrated deeper and weakened the metal. Deep corrosion may require metal repair or replacement of affected sections. Let's start with KBS Rust Converter. This tannic acid-based aerosol quickly neutralizes rust, transforming it into a hard bluish-black ferric tannate layer. It stops existing rust and creates a durable, paintable surface. Rust Converter stops existing rust from spreading, has minimal prep required, creates a paintable surface, and is economical for any size project. Before applying Rust Converter, check the rusted area. It should be fully rusted with no bare metal, as Rust Converter doesn't work on non-rusted metal or paint. Begin by removing loose rust and paint with a wire brush or 320 grit sandpaper. Clean the area with KBS Klean, which removes dirt, grease, and grime without leaving residue that can hurt adhesion. Mix KBS Klean with hot water, scrub, rinse, and dry thoroughly. Detailed instructions for KBS Klean can be found on the KBS website. Shake the can well for at least 1 minute. Spray 8 to 12 inches away with even and overlapping strokes. Rust Converter dries to the touch in 10 minutes and can be recoated or painted after 24 hours. It can also be left as is for protection. Detailed instructions for KBS Rust Converter can be found on the KBS website. For long-term protection, KBS RustSeal is ideal. It's a flexible, moisture-cured 1K urethane coating that stops and prevents rust by permanently sealing bare metal and treated rust from moisture and oxygen. RustSeal provides a rock-hard yet flexible finish that won't crack, chip, or peel. RustSeal seals rust permanently. It's flexible and durable. It provides a smooth, professional finish. It's perfect for spot repairs or treating the entire fence, and it also protects rust-free areas too. Start by removing loose rust or paint with a wire brush, 320 grit sandpaper, or by sandblasting. Light surface rust can remain. Lightly scuff any remaining well-adhered paint with 320 grit sandpaper. Next, clean the area with KBS Klean. Mix Klean with warm water and scrub the surface with a brush or sponge. Rinse well and dry. Detailed instructions for KBS Klean can be found on the KBS website. Next comes Rust Blast, which dissolves rust and etches the surface for improved RustSeal adhesion. Spray and let Rust Blast sit for 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on the amount of rust to be removed. Keep wet and scrub intermittently, then rinse and dry. Keep in mind RustSeal can be applied directly over surface rust treated with Rust Blast. The rust doesn't have to be completely removed, thereby reducing labor time. You'll see a white powdery residue will remain after Rust Blast, and that's fine. It shouldn't be wiped off. Detailed instructions for Rust Blast can be found on the KBS website. Next is RustSeal, which can be applied with a brush, roller, or spray equipment. Apply a minimum of 3 coats, waiting 2 to 6 hours between coats. Under normal conditions, the workpiece can be handled after 1 day, with full cure achieved in at least 7 days. Detailed instructions for RustSeal can be found on the KBS website. Rust Converter and RustSeal can be top-coated with a variety of paints and coatings, including KBS BlackTop, Top Coater, and other paint formulations. While top-coating Rust Converter is optional, top-coating RustSeal is highly recommended since it isn't intended as a final finish for surfaces exposed to direct sunlight, as it may alter its color or sheen. Its rust protection, however, remains fully effective. To protect against unwanted cosmetic changes, top-coat RustSeal with any opaque paint system. As black is a popular color for steel fences, KBS BlackTop Top Coat is recommended. This 1K moisture-cured UV-stable urethane is hard yet flexible, preventing chips, cracks, and peeling while protecting against impacts, moisture, and sun exposure. BlackTop is durable and impact-resistant, flexible yet rock-hard, smooth and self-leveling, UV and fade-resistant, and it works over RustSeal, Rust Converter, or bare metal. To sum it up, use Rust Converter for quick rust neutralization, or use RustSeal for a long-lasting durable barrier. Finish with BlackTop BlackTop for UV protection and a beautiful finish. With just a little time and the right products, your steel fence can look great and stay protected for years. Give your fence the care it deserves, because rust doesn't have to win. KBS Coatings are proudly made in the USA.